Everything you need is on this channel. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or marketer that wants to learn more about the world of video marketing, then you're in the right place. This is the channel for you. If you want to really get under the bonnet of video marketing and really understand how to harness its power to grow your business, then stick around. There are stacks of video resources on this channel, all designed with one singular purpose in mind: to empower you and your business to get the most out of video marketing. On this channel, you'll find stacks of production how-tos, pro hints and tips, strategy and planning, everything you need to create video content that will deliver your business ROI. So why should you listen to me? Well, I've got over 20 years broadcast TV experience as a DP, producer and cameraman. And over the last few years, I've immersed myself in the world of digital and video marketing. It's my absolute mission to help businesses like yours make the very most out of video marketing to help you grow. We really appreciate your support on this channel, so if you get value from the videos, please do consider subscribing and also share the content with anyone you think could benefit. I hope you enjoy the channel. Take care and see you soon.